Like, let's be real right now. Okay, or someone's going to jail.
Okay.
Did you find the purse?
No, it's gone. Okay.
That's not cool, dude.
You came outside and then you walked back in. There was a purse right here that's gone now, so where'd it go?
On June 23, 2024, Carlsbad Police initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle with suspended registration plates. The occupants fled unknowingly, leading officers directly to their own residence, triggering a cascade of constitutional issues that define this encounter.
Hey, stay in the car, stay in the car. Matt! Matt! Don't go in there! Get out! Get out!
Wait, give me purse!
Get out!
Lower the window. Turn out the vehicle.
Get out of the car. I'm sorry. My bad.
Step out of the vehicle.
Hey, to Carlsbad. 141 detained.
Be honest. It's serious. That's why I want to go home.
Over here.
Hey, get out of the car.
No, just get my money out of the purse. Just keep inside. Just keep my purse and keep my money out.
Sarge, can you close that door?
Yeah.
Stop. You're not gonna get your purse, okay?
I'm not understanding.
Sarge, she had a purse and it should be right by the door. Hey, police department, come out here.
Right here. Feet. You got feet right there.
Who else is back there? Go and step out for me, boss.
Stay right here in the front. You good right here?
Hey, come out here right now.
Who, me?
Whoever it is.
Who's back there?
Hold on, I just have my phone in my hand.
All right, come out here.
I'm like, whoa, what the hell is going on?
Both of you, get outside. What'd you do with the purse that was right here?
I didn't do nothing.
What is going on?
I think I put it on even though I'm not for real. There was no cops out here.
What the?
That purse go.
It's like, let's be real right now. Okay, or someone's going to jail.
I don't even know what's going on.
Like, what is going on? I know, I walk out and I see people in handcuffs and I'm like,
Yeah, you walked out. Where's the purse at that was right here?
I'm like,
We're in there watching a movie, man.
I just barely got back.
Yeah, but you came
Dakota.
outside and then
Yeah,
you walked
I
back
came
in. There was a
outside.
purse right here that's gone now, so where'd it go?
I'm like, what the like,
Really? They just.
this isn't even my house. I'm
Are you
like,
serious, dude? Did you just?
So whose house is this? Do any of you guys live here?
I do.
Yes.
You do? Is this your house?
He was here.
What's your name, sir?
Tito Rodriguez.
Tito?
Tito.
Tito Rodriguez?
Oh, dude.
Yeah, we don't even know what's going on.
We didn't even know he came in here. We didn't even know the dude came in the house.
and I'm
We just heard a
like,
bunch of wreckage. Tell Daniel to get the truck.
Go ahead.
Daniel.
Go ahead and come over here to my unit. Hey, Diaz, make sure nobody gets in the truck.
What truck? Not that truck. I don't know that truck.
10-4.
Truck.
What do you need?
My money.
Okay, well, I'll get your purse. I'll get all your money, whatever you need, okay? All right, have a seat in there real quick. Come back and get you. Did you already run him?
Yeah, just right now.
Is he clear?
They haven't given me the one time.
Okay.
Did you find the purse?
No, it's gone. Okay. Okay.
That's not cool, dude.
Oh.
Yeah, like I said, she said she has money in there. She wants her money.
Okay, we don't
So-
know nothing about that, baby.
I mean, if you guys took it, you guys are gonna respond for that purse, okay? Police department.
I'm like, I don't even know.
Oh, man. Just.
You don't know?
Stop.
This is yours?
That's mine.
15 as well? Or are you?
Did he come back?
Yeah, he's negative.
He's negative. All right. Bring him over here. Let's
come over here.
Yeah, so she tried to close the door. I mean, she dropped it on here. So. Okay. So the boy more her. She came from back here, but I mean, there's another female back here messing around. There was. Yeah, she said gray leather.
The threshold question is whether officers' entry into the private residence was constitutionally valid under the Fourth Amendment. Under Payton versus New York, decided by the Supreme Court in 1980, warrantless arrests inside a home are presumptively unconstitutional. However, the court recognized a narrow exception: hot pursuit. In United States versus Santana, 1976, the court held that officers in continuous pursuit of a fleeing felon may follow that suspect into a private dwelling without a warrant. Two elements must be satisfied. The offense must be serious here: felony evasion under California Vehicle Code Section 2800.2, and the pursuit must be continuous and uninterrupted. Welsh versus Wisconsin, decided in 1984, reinforced that the hot pursuit exception carries its greatest weight in felony cases. Felony evasion clears that threshold. Once inside, officers' authority is not unlimited. The search must be confined to areas where the suspect or immediate evidence of the offense may reasonably be found. Questioning uninvolved residents about missing evidence, the purse, without their consent and without an independent legal basis, risks exceeding the permissible scope of the entry.
She has a warrant, right?
Yeah, she has a warrant. He's clear.
Where do you?
Does he have a valid DL?
Do you have a driver's license with you?
I don't have it. What was his name?
Sergio
what?
Quiroz.
We got a return on it? Yeah, we did. Did you confirm DL photo and everything? Go check on my unit. Hey, so I know he read you your rights, correct? Are you aware of your rights? Okay, with those rights in mind, do you want to talk about what happened right now, the situation?
I completely all right with it. Like I was helping a friend, came over here, and then like I was just told go, and I was like, wait, what?
Who told you go?
And I was like honestly,
She told you to not stop?
yeah.
I mean, you clearly saw the units right behind you with the lights on.
And I said, I don't know if you said something. Like, I'm not trying to get in trouble. Like, I'm trying to.
I mean, you were the one driving the vehicle, correct? You could have stopped at any. Suspended deal? No.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's on probation. What are you on probation for?
I got into. I was really bad on drugs back then, and I guess this dude was laughing at me. I had a seizure, and I assaulted him by breaking the window.
Who's the owner of that vehicle?
My friend on the windows.
Okay.
She's from Lebanon. So.
You're on probation, right?
Yes.
Knowing that you're on probation, how come you're not coming to a stop when you're supposed to when there's cops behind you?
You want to take that 29?
You were the driver.
You know what the red and blue lights mean, bro?
It means stop, right? And you didn't stop. You went.
I was slowing down. I was like, man, I can't.
No, you very well could have stopped right back there on that street over there. You could have stopped right there, and you should have stopped right there. But instead, you chose to drive down this street, and then come back over here. That's no different than running from the police on foot. You just ran from us in a vehicle. So that's resisting evading an officer right there. So you're on probation. You're catching a charge for resisting evading an officer, driving on a suspended license, no registration, no insurance. Everything that's wrong with that vehicle, you're getting caught with right now because you were driving it.
I don't even know what's wrong with that truck right now.
No, but you probably shouldn't have been driving it then, huh? You probably shouldn't be driving anyway because you got a suspended license, my guy.
Alright, so I'm sorry, dude. Like, I was wanting to go home like hours ago.
On Miranda, officers confirmed that advisement had been administered and waived before conducting a substantive interview with the driver, Sergio Pedros. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, a valid waiver requires that it be made knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently. That sequence, properly documented, satisfies the constitutional requirement. Pedros offered a duress narrative that the passenger directed him to flee, and he complied. California law does not recognize duress as a complete defense to felony evasion. Section 2800.2 requires willful flight with willful disregard for the safety of persons or property. A driver who sees police lights and continues moving satisfies that element regardless of passenger pressure. Regarding the vehicle tow and purse recovery, under South Dakota versus Opperman, 1976, officers may conduct a warrantless inventory search of a lawfully impounded vehicle. The vehicle here had no valid registration, no insurance, and was operated on a suspended license satisfying the lawful impoundment prerequisite. The inventory exception applies. The female passenger held an active arrest warrant at the time of the stop. This fact provided independent and retrospective justification for the stop, though officers could not have known it at the moment the vehicle fled. Under California Penal Code Section 148, her direction to the driver to flee may support an aiding and abetting charge for felony evasion in addition to warrant-related charges.
Alright, let's step out.
35 Carlsbad. Did you get the return on the 28?
I'm going in front of this unit. What do you have on you? Just so. Okay. The reason I ask is if you don't come forward about what you have now and you do have something, you take it to jail. It's another felony charge for bringing contraband into a facility. Understand that? So do you have anything in your bra, anything like that? What do you have in your pockets? You got a cell phone, wallet, and okay. So he's gonna search you. Go ahead, Alvaro.
Maybe you can just face the left of it.
Did it come off when you set it up?
Yes, sir.
Alright, that's it.
41 Carlsbad.
The vehicle's going to be towed.
It does, yeah. They don't have nothing, and then you're not the registered owner as well.
Yeah. I can't call them to come get it?
It's still no good. It has nothing on it. But it's got nothing on it, so in the event
no, it's
that
understandable. I mean, but
we would do the same thing if it was
I
anywhere
mean,
else.
Is Sergio with the J or with the G? With the J? Okay.
I don't have nothing at all. Like, it's been trying to go home. Like, come on.
Alright, he's good.
Good. All right. Yeah, just take him. I called this PO. We'll see if he goes to call back. But for right now, just the REO.
Nothing with the shit that will.
No, he was kind of.
Oh. Yeah, so do everything that's wrong with the vehicle, like I said, registration, insurance, suspended, driver license. Yeah, so do everything that's wrong with the vehicle, like I said, registration, insurance, suspended, driver license. What else? Any, the stop sign, did he come to a stop or he just went through it?
Which stop sign was it?
Because there's a stop sign right here.
You mean interview this guy?
So we're looking at it, and he has to know that she was a felon. So yeah, I mean we can interview him and just ask him.
Hey man, you okay? Can I talk to you for a second? Okay. Did they already read you your rights?
I don't need this, bro. Like, I could tell some gay from my mom's number. Some shit happened at home. I don't need this. Dude, it's ready to go on.
Well, unfortunately, we're already here.
Sorry.
And I haven't talked to you yet, so I wanted to get yours out of the story, okay? So, can you tell me, like, fill me in? Like, just be real with me? Okay. You're good. So, tell me what happened.
I told him the right thing, and I was like, right. They open the door, and they go, go behind me, drop it. All right. I was like, fuck, okay. I don't know why I took off.
You're good.
Out of it, you know.
Take a breath. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you, nothing like that. You're good. Like how I got the door open. I know I'm kind of right here, but that way I can hear you. That way you get a little bit of air.
It's funny and shit because I'm laughing. I don't care, dude. I lost everything.
So you were driving. All right. They told you to go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kept telling me go. Like I'm like I can't just go. And it was like.
Okay. Do you know why she told you to go?
No, I don't. I really don't. Like, I honestly don't.
Okay.
I was just told her.
She didn't say anything at all?
No.
Like, I got warrants, I got some shit on me?
No, she didn't tell me nothing.
No?
Like, I don't know what that's lie about, honestly.
She just said go,
yeah.
pretty much?
Yeah, and I was like, what? Like, I kind of been out of it, like, I got kicked out, and, like, some bullshit.
I gotcha.
It's not really something to talk about because it's stupid as
I gotcha. No worries. I just had to get your side of the story. I hadn't talked to you yet, okay?
I ain't trying to fucking lie to you. I'm not trying to go to jail, bro. I've been going on. Like,
so did you know that she had like warrants and shit?
I don't even know. Like, I don't know her.
You just gave some random lady a ride?
Like, no, I came here because of my friend Olga, but like, I don't know her like that. I don't. Like,
alright. That makes no sense though, bro.
Huh?
You just gave this random lady a ride?
Well, I was in the car, I seen the door open, like, all I see is, what the f***, like, go, like, what am I supposed to do, like, what the f***? Like,
okay. Was Olga in the car?
No, she had got off, she was talking about some stuff.
So it was just you and that, and it was just you and her, the other lady?
I was by myself at first, and then, like, said, go, and I was like, what the f***? Like, I'm honestly telling you the truth, my mind's been in space. My dad watched me give head to this dude, and I got kicked out, you know what I mean? If you really want to know, like, it's going down like that, like, what was I supposed to do, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know what to talk to about it, like, I get it. And then I get kicked out because my mom know I'm because I'm gay, like, come on. And then I don't have nothing, I'm this dude jacking for everything, like, and then I'm over here begging for cigarettes over here, like, fucking lower than low, dog.
Are you staying clean or no?
Yeah, for the most part.
For the most part, when's the last time you used?
Last time I used.
Like today?
No, I smoked meth like just yesterday or this morning. That was it, like 1 hit too.
Okay.
I didn't even have clothes, dude. I barely took a shower, like, but 5 days ago, like, I don't have nothing, bro.
Well, I mean, at least you'll be able to take a shower now.
You know, that's not the point. Like, my mom's gonna be what the
So.
Still, you're trying to worry about my mom. What the fuck?
Okay. Well, I appreciate you talking to me, Sergio. I think my partner's gonna do his thing. Okay. You take care, bud. All right, watch out.
Sorry.
I'll do it.
Were you born here in Carlsbad or?
16.
Carlsbad officers receive a B. The hot pursuit entry was legally defensible, Miranda was correctly sequenced, and uninvolved residents were released promptly once the scene was secured. The deduction: overlapping commands to multiple uninvolved residents created unnecessary confusion, and the continuity of pursuit was not verbally documented on camera, a gap that could create evidentiary exposure in a suppression hearing. The female passenger receives a D. She held an active warrant, directed the driver to flee, and allegedly concealed evidence conduct that subjected an uninvolved household to warrantless police entry through no fault of their own. Sergio Pedros receives a C+. He cooperated post-arrest, waived Miranda voluntarily, and offered a consistent account. However, the decision to flee while on probation with a suspended license compounded every underlying violation into felony exposure. Tito Rodriguez receives an A-. He was cooperative, calm, and legally uninvolved. His Fourth Amendment rights were temporarily displaced by the hot pursuit exception, not forfeited. Any search beyond the scope of that exception would require his consent or an independent warrant. The takeaway: hot pursuit is a narrow doctrine, not a general license to search a home. Officers must be able to establish continuity of pursuit, confine their entry to its scope, and document both, or risk suppression at a motion to exclude. For drivers, the moment you choose to flee, you convert every traffic violation into potential felony exposure, and you create the legal exigency that removes constitutional protection from everyone at your destination. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.